Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can truly transform your bedroom or dressing area: wardrobe decor. Your wardrobe is more than just a place to store clothes. It's a focal point of your room's aesthetic. A beautifully decorated wardrobe can add personality, style, and even functionality to your space. Whether you have a built-in wardrobe or a standalone one, there are countless creative ways to enhance its look. In this video, we'll explore simple yet effective ideas that you can implement to make your wardrobe a statement piece. From painting techniques to decorative accessories, we'll cover everything you need to know to elevate your wardrobe decor game. Remember, decorating your wardrobe doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity and some DIY skills, you can turn an ordinary wardrobe into a stunning feature of your room. Don't forget to subscribe to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub and share this video with your friends and family. Your support helps us bring more creative content your way. So, stay tuned as we share tips, tricks, and inspiring ideas to help you achieve a gorgeous wardrobe makeover. The first step in wardrobe decor is choosing the right colors and themes that complement your room's overall decor. Think about the color palette of your bedroom: soft pastels, bold hues, or neutral tones, and select colors that blend seamlessly or create a statement. For a subtle look, consider painting the wardrobe doors in a single color that matches your walls or bedding. If you want a more eye-catching design, go for contrasting colors or even patterns like stripes or florals. Themes also play an important role. Vintage, modern, bohemian, or minimalist styles can dictate your decor choices. For example, a vintage theme might incorporate floral wallpaper or antique handles, while a modern look might focus on sleek, clean lines with metallic accents. Remember, the goal is to create harmony within your space. When selecting colors and themes, consider the ambience you want to create: calm and relaxing or vibrant and energetic. Take time to plan your design, gather inspiration from magazines or online platforms, and choose elements that reflect your personal style. This foundational step sets the tone for your entire wardrobe makeover. One of the simplest ways to transform your wardrobe is through painting and wall decor on the doors. If your wardrobe has plain surfaces, consider giving them a fresh coat of paint in a trendy color or creating patterns that match your room's decor. You can opt for stenciling, geometric patterns, or even freehand designs if you feel confident. For a more artistic touch, use painter's tape to create stripes or checkered patterns that add visual interest. Additionally, you can decorate the doors with wall decals or removable wallpaper to introduce textures and patterns. These options are temporary and easy to change if you decide to update your decor later. For a more personalized touch, try hand painting quotes, motifs, or your favorite designs directly onto the wardrobe doors. Remember, preparation is key. Clean and sand the surface before painting for a smooth finish. Use quality paints suitable for wood or laminate surfaces. With some creativity, painted designs and wall decor can turn a plain wardrobe into a beautiful focal point in your room. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and interest. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to subscribe to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub and share this video with your friends and family. Your encouragement motivates us to create more inspiring and helpful content. Stay tuned for more exciting ideas and tips. Thanks again for being a part of our community.